guys, I'm Michelle Johnson. I'm a weight management and wellness coach. I'm here to share with you some of my anti-aging secrets. Do you want to reverse age? I do. So one of the ways that I do that is mainly through nutrition. Nutrition alone is so anti-aging when you make the right choices. Every day I start with what I call a magical green drink. Very simple to make. You take green powder, and I get mine from a place called Dragon Herbs. It actually has 99 different types of herbs and mushrooms, and it's incredible. But you can also get a product called Green Vibrance, and that has probiotics in it as well. So that green drink right in the morning helps balance your alkaline levels and your digestion. I add apple cider vinegar, aloe vera juice, some lemon. I get drops that I put in, such as ginseng or something that is going to help with moisture. So there's another product I use from Dragon Herbs called Dew Drops. That's all up to you. Oil of oregano is another great anti-inflammatory drink. My Instagram account, Michelle_wellness, under IGTV, has the magical drink. Collagen is great for elasticity, really important, because you're going to find your skin ages quickly. We are all probably guilty of getting too much sun in our lives, but also weight gain, up and down, yo-yoing, can change that elasticity a lot. And as we get older, especially in the backside, that's a sign of aging. When we see, and when I used to be a bodybuilder, one of the ways we could tell if somebody was older was also how their backside developed. You'll notice your backside, especially underneath your glutes, gets looser and harder to define. Collagen helps a lot, and there's so many benefits to collagen. You just have to Google the word collagen and see all the benefits for your hair, skin, your nails, and you want healthy hair, skin, and nails. That's something that changes as we get older, so you want to try to maintain that as much as possible. Biotin is another supplement. I personally don't take biotin, I don't need to, but it is a supplement a lot of people use for that reason. I add a little ghee to my coffee, clarified butter. And the reason I do that is those healthy fats are something that I spend more time looking into and incorporating into my diet, because it helps to lubricate your skin. And your skin, right? It's the largest organ on your body. You definitely want to keep it lubricated. You don't want dry skin. So when you take out all the fats and oils in your diet, you're going to have drier skin. So keeping that skin moist is a very important thing that I do every day. So I will use something like Aquaphor on my feet. I also use very moisturizing, like there's one CEVA. It has hydrolonic acid, I believe. The acids in it that help lock in the moisture for your skin. And I do the same thing with my face. I use something that has hyaluronic acid in it as my serum, and then I use pretty heavy moisturizers or something that's all natural, like Burt Bees has a night cream that I just love that is replenishing. Every day I put moisturizer underneath my eyes. I do that maybe 2 or 3 times a day. The under eye area is a sign of aging, so getting good quality sleep is important. In order to preserve my face, sure, I do a little Botox, but I'm not over the top with it. I do a little bit around my eyes, and I do a little bit in the center because I used to have a furrow here. So yes, I will do a little here, a little around the eyes, but you don't want to overdo your face with fillers and Botox. That's just going to make you look unnatural. I've done the lips in the past. My daughter made fun of me. It was ridiculous. I look like a duck. So a little bit of extra is nice, but not a whole bunch. And so maybe once a year I might ask for a little extra plumping, just because I like the look of fuller lips. I've never really had full lips. I think it just looks nice. It's another thing that when you age, your lips start to disappear. So it's something a lot of women will do, and sure, I've done it. These are the types of things you want to do minimally. You're just trying to enhance your natural beauty, not change the look of your face. I also love to incorporate weight training with my workouts. Weight training is going to be a great anti-aging method for you over cardio, because again, when you get older, your metabolism does slow down. But you don't need as much cardio. What you need is to maintain muscle, because we're losing muscle as we age. In order to maintain that muscular skeletal system, your posture, which makes you look youthful, not rounded over. If you notice, older people hunch. That's going to be the way. And also, it will tighten your skin. Everyone asks me, can I tighten this area, that? The best way to try it is the diet must support what you're doing in the gym. You can't do one without the other. So you do need a diet plan that matches what you're doing for exercise and ensures you're getting the protein and calories you need to grow that muscle for shaping and to tighten everything up so you do have a tighter package on your body. No one would know that I'm 52 years old. I constantly get compliments because of the amount of energy I have, the way that I look, and I'm not bragging, I'm just saying. I do feel youthful. I don't feel worse than I did in my 20s and 30s. I actually feel better. So you can feel better. You can look better and better. A lot of people think I look better now than I did then. No, I didn't do any plastic surgery on my face. Yes, the reason I look younger is because I am very consistent with these things. My diet overall, I eat the foods that are not too high in sugar or sodium, that aren't going to have an adverse effect on my health. When we feel healthy, when we are healthy, we radiate. And we want a radiant body, a radiant energy to us that people, when they see us, you know, we have that wow factor. We walk in the room and people are like, she's just glowing. If you want to glow from the inside out, you really have to be conscious of what you are eating and that you're not putting foods that make you sick. And food can make you feel very sick. So gluten can be guilty of that. High sugars, really moderating carbs if you're sensitive to sugars. But the balance of carbs and fats, I find, make the skin nice and tight. That's also something, again, that's going to make you look more youthful, is that you're not looking as though your body is 90 years old when you're in your 50s. So I just want to keep this suggestion simple for you today. If you do a couple of things, try that Bulletproof, which is very famous. Bulletproof coffee is the one that I told you that has the collagen, the ghee, and I also add a squirt of ginseng to that. Do the green juice, make sure every day, these are everyday habits. Moderating your alcohol, I want to throw in there, very important, because the more that you're dehydrated, the less water you drink, the more alcohol you drink, the more you dry your skin out, the less you take care of it. You know, you don't want that hard look where your face looks leathery and your body. You got to take care of your skin and use good products. You don't have to spend a ton of money. Good products is just good, clean products. Even if you do natural, you can put avocado all over your face. There's all those little masks you can use. But that hydration is really gonna be from the inside out overall. Those are just topicals. So getting that moisture inside, eating vegetables like cucumbers are very high in water. Those kinds of things can replenish your body and its moisture balance. And you need that to look youthful. You want a dewy foundation and a dewy moisturizer that'll help keep the skin looking lubricated and not dry. So as I get older, you know, I'm not going to use mattes. I'm also not going to put anything luminescent on my eyes. Hair color can make you look older. If you go too harsh with your hair color, try to go with softer hair colors. Right now, my hair color is a little harsher than I'm used to. I just ended up with this really dark red, but I'm pulling it off. I pull it off with makeup. I really recommend that you get your eyebrows microbladed. So that's something I've done, is I got my eyebrows, this is called ombre effect. So it's called a powder effect. And this will also make you look younger, because when your eyebrows look sort of uneven and as you get older, you start to lose the hair on your eyebrows. Your lashes start to look shorter. You know, adding some magnetic lashes. I use Glamnetics. I don't pay for my lashes anymore and go to a salon and have them done. I just do them at home. My natural lashes are smaller. So these are things that just can enhance your appearance, make you look youthful, and also feel youthful. I hope these tips and suggestions help you the way they've helped me. I have a lot more to give you, and I will be sharing more of these in upcoming videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Michelle_Wellness, and YouTube. Thanks, guys.